Here you go, Derek. Here's your Compact 45. Came out really good, all stainless solid header, last step injection, stainless braided hoses. Constructed really nice. There's your serial number 3120065. Safety stickers. Water box. 45 size blower, which is a 4MR. And then you have your 27 horse Kohler. Really came out nice. I mean, this is just a beautiful machine. Look at it. Got your accessories, your unloader assembly high out, your high limit shutdown, and your solenoid control wire that sends 12 volts to your solenoid. You got all your stainless braided hose connections here, JIC, military flare. Those are your hoses. Access point heat exchanger. Really came out nice all the way around. There you go. Bypass control. I'm going to make sure that this is trickled on just a little bit like that, just to allow movement of water to get a good response time for your thermostat. Temperature gauge, control panel, everything is here. There you go. And then you got your silencer at the bottom, stainless steel pipes coming out. Really beautiful. Beautiful unit, what can I say? Another Blue Baron truck mount creation. Came out nice.